Ever thought of coloring your hair to give yourself a new look and up your style game? It's super easy, fun, and will enhance any hairdo. So let's get started. The first step is to keep a towel on your shoulders to prevent getting any color stains on your shirt. Make sure your hair is completely dry. Now section your hair into equal parts. Then roll twist the sections of hair and clip it up. To avoid getting any stains of hair color on your skin, apply some petroleum jelly across your forehead, ears and neck. Wear a pair of gloves and pour the developer and color into the bowl. The L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss Mahogany Hair Color is used here for ultra shine and smoothness. Mix the solution well. It's time to do the fun part. Unclip a section of hair and start coloring from the roots. Take some more into the brush and color along the lengths of your hair gently. Again, roll and twist the colored hair and clip it up. Repeat the same for all sections of the hair. The best part of coloring your hair is to set it aside and relax for around 30 to 35 minutes. Read a book, watch an episode, or just enjoy a cup of coffee. Get rid of excess water from your hair and apply the conditioner, which is specifically used for adding softness to colored hair. Leave it for 5 minutes. Rinse off the conditioner and then blow dry your hair. And that's how you get a gorgeous hair color right at the comfort of your home. Now you're ready to style it any way and make every day a good hair day.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.